Hello everyone. I hope that you're doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to one more new video from same topic, that is circle. So now in this video, as I promised in last video, we are going to see what is exactly a cyclic quadrilateral. Before understanding cyclic quadrilateral, first let's understand some important term related with cyclic quadrilateral. So if I take one circle over here and I take randomly 4 points on this circle, that are A, B, C and D. So these 4 points lie on the circle. So whenever we have minimum 4 points which are lying on the circle are called as concyclic points. So what are concyclic points? Concyclic points refer to set of points that lie on a common circle. Also remember that there should be minimum 4 points, only then we say that they are concyclic points. Now, as we already have promised you that we are going to see cyclic quadrilateral in this video. So if I joined all these 4 points, observe carefully, if we joined all these 4 points, a quadrilateral is formed. So this quadrilateral which is formed by joining concyclic point is called as cyclic quadrilateral. So it is very simple. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? Whenever we join 4 points which are on the circle, or you can say 4 concyclic points, a quadrilateral is formed, and such a quadrilateral is called as cyclic quadrilateral. So cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral which has all its 4 vertices lying on the circle. Remember, this quadrilateral is also said to be inscribed quadrilateral. So in some books you may find that they say it to be inscribed quadrilateral or cyclic quadrilateral. Both are one and the same. Now, very important theorem related with cyclic quadrilateral, that is cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Now, exactly what is cyclic quadrilateral theorem? Let's see the statement. See, statement says opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means their addition is 180 degree, and we all know what are opposite angles. So if you observe here, let's write given to prove and proof of this very important theorem. So in given, it is very simple. It says opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. That means here given is this quadrilateral is nothing but it is a cyclic quadrilateral. If you observe carefully, all 4 vertices are on the circle. That means this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Simple. Next statement says opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means we need to find opposite angles. Observe carefully. Angle A. Opposite angle of angle A will be angle C. So this angle A plus angle C is supplementary, so it is equal to 180. And other pair of opposite angle is angle B plus angle D, again is supplementary, so it is equal to 180. So this is basically cyclic quadrilateral theorem. It is very important. Remember, whenever you have a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angle is 180 degree, or you can say opposite angles are supplementary. Now let's prove this. If you observe, we have two parts to prove. Let's start with first part. So in first part we have angle A first over here. Just observe angle A. If you remember, in last video we have studied this angle. This angle is nothing but it is an inscribed angle. So whenever we have inscribed angle, we apply inscribed angle theorem. So here angle A is an inscribed angle. So the arc which is intercepted with angle A is BCD. So angle A will be half of BCD. Reason will be inscribed angle theorem. Similarly, in first part we need angle C also. Opposite of angle A is angle C. So if you observe angle C over here, angle C is again an inscribed angle. So the intercepted arc with angle C is arc BAD. So angle C will be half of arc BAD. Again same reason, inscribed angle theorem. Now let's mark these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now if you observe, we need angle A plus angle C. That means the relation between angle A and angle C is plus. So whenever we need such a case, whenever we have two parts to be added, what we simply do is we just add both equations. So we'll add equation 1 and 2. Now remember here, very important thing, whenever we add left side with left side and right side with right side. So if you observe over here, in left side we have angle A and angle C. So we'll add angle A plus angle C. And in right side we have half of arc BCD plus half of arc BAD. This is very important. Remember, whenever you add or subtract equations, always add or subtract left side with left side, right side with right side. Now if you observe right hand side, half of arc BCD plus half of arc BAD, half can be taken as common. So if you take half as common, in bracket we are left with arc BCD plus arc BAD. Just observe BCD and BAD. Just observe carefully in the figure. See, BCD, BAD. Is it forming entire circle? And we all know that measure of entire circle is 360 degree. We have studied that measure of circle is 360. So instead of these two arcs, we can write 360. And now it is very simple. You just have to do half of 360. That will be 180 degree. So here is our proof. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. I hope. If you want, you can take screenshot of this page. Now you will say, sir, second part is still remaining. Correct. Second part is remaining. So you can just say, similarly, we can prove angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. In some books, they will use angle sum property of quadrilateral. You can use that too if you want. If you have doubt in that, you can just comment. I will surely reply your comment how we can use angle sum property of quadrilateral to get the second part. Or you can simply write, similarly, we can prove angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. I hope everyone is clear with this very important theorem, cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Whenever we have cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are always supplementary. Sum of opposite angle is always equal to 180. Remember, this is very important theorem. So now in coming video, we are going to see what happens if we draw an exterior angle of an cyclic quadrilateral. Think. What will happen if we draw an exterior angle? What is an exterior angle? Think. And what if we draw that exterior angle with a cyclic quadrilateral? Think, and I will answer this question in my coming video. I hope you love this video. Make sure you share with all your friends and make sure that you subscribe, because if you need to learn what happens when we draw exterior angle in cyclic quadrilateral, you need to subscribe the channel for, so whenever I upload next video, you will be notified. So we'll meet next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See ya.